What if everything you have been told about investing is incomplete? What if the real estate investors you admire secretly invest in stocks? And what if stock investors quietly build wealth using real estate? Because here is the truth nobody tells beginners. The richest people in the world don't choose one, they understand both. And by the end of this video, you will know exactly which one can make you richer faster. But there is a twist because the best investment depends on one decision most people never think about. So don't skip this video because one wrong choice here can cost you years of wealth. If you want financial freedom, hit like button and stay with me. Let's begin. Every beginner's investor asks this question: should I invest in real estate or stocks? You have probably heard things like real estate makes millions or stock creates the fastest wealth. But which one is actually true? Here is the shocking answer. Both can make you rich and both can keep you poor. It depends on how you use them. And in the next few minutes, I will reveal the real difference because once you understand this, your entire investing strategy will change. If you are serious about building wealth, keep watching. How stocks actually make you rich? Let's start with the stocks. When you buy a stock, you are buying ownership in a company. That means when the company grows, your wealth is grows. This is how people who invested in companies like Apple, Amazon, or Microsoft build a massive wealth, not overnight but over time. Here is the magic of stocks. They grow silently. You don't need to manage anything. You don't need retain it. You don't need maintenance. Your money works while you sleep. This is called passive growth, and this is how ordinary people become a millionaire. But here is something most people don't realize. Stock reward patience more than intelligence. If you panic, you lose. If you stay calm, you win. And the next point will shock you even more, so stay with me. Real estate actually make you rich. Now let's talk about real estate. Real estate creates within a thin powerful ways. First, appreciation. Your property increases in value over time. Second, cash flow. You earn monthly rental income. Third, leverage. You can control a large asset with a small amount of money. This is a powerful because with stocks you need the full amount, but with a real estate you can control a 3 lakh dollar property with maybe $30,000. This accelerates wealth creation. This is why many millionaires love real estate. But there is something they don't talk about enough, and this might surprise you. Real estate is not a passive as a people think. You deal with tenants, maintenance, repairs, problems. This is the hidden reality. And the next comparison is where things get very interesting. Don't miss this. Let's see speed of wealth creation. If your goal is speed, stock usually win because stocks can grow faster. You can start immediately. You can invest small amounts. You can scale quickly. Real estate takes more time. You need capital. You need loans. You need approvals. You need paperwork. Stocks are frictionless. Real estate has friction. But here is the twist. Real estate creates a powerful cash flow. Stocks usually don't. Stock grows wealth. Real estate pays income. This is a huge difference, and which one is better depends on your goal, growth, or income. Keep watching because the next point reveals the safest option. Let's see a risk comparison. Let's talk about a risk because every investment has a risk. Stock can crash, real estate can crash, but the type of risk is different. Stocks are volatile. They move fast, they go up quickly, they go down quickly. Real estate moves slower, it's more stable but less liquid. You can sell stocks instantly. Selling real estate takes time, something months. This is a critical because liquidity given flexibility, and flexibility protects you. This is why smart investors diversify. And the next secret explain what the rich actually do. Stay with me. Let's see what millionaires actually do. Here is what wealthy people really do. They don't choose stocks or real estate. They use both strategically. They use stocks to grow wealth fast, and they use real estate to create a cash flow and stability. Stocks build capital, real estate protects capital. This combination creates unstoppable wealth. This is how financial freedom is built, not by choosing sides, but by using both wisely. And the next part is the most important decision for you personally. Don't skip. Which one is the best for you? If you are a beginner, stocks are usually the best starting point because you can start small, you can learn fast, you can grow gradually. If you have more capital, real estate becomes a powerful because it creates income. If you want passive investing, stocks are easier. If you want cash flow, real estate is stronger. If you want speed, stocks win. If you want stability, real estate wins. This is the truth most people never explain clearly. And now comes the final secret nobody talks about. The biggest mistake is not choosing the wrong investment. The biggest mistake is waiting too long. Time is the most powerful wealth building tool. Even small investment grow into massive wealth over time, but only if you start, not tomorrow, not next year. Because every year you delay, you lose potential growth. This is why action matters more than perfection. And the final conclusion will change how you invest forever. Stay with me. So, which is better, real estate or stocks? The real answer is these stocks are the best for building wealth. Real estate is the best for protecting and multiplying wealth. Stock creates a millionaires, real estate creates a financial freedom, but both together creates unstoppable wealth. The most important thing is start investing, start learning, start now. Because your future wealth depends on the decision you make today. If you found this valuable, subscribe now because the next video might change your financial future. And remember, wealth is not built by luck, it's built by decisions. Make the right one today.